Hello everyone. Hope you all are fine and good and safe at home. So, as I told you in the previous video that in this video I'll be sharing one question paper with you all. So you need to solve this question paper. Before showing that question paper to you all, there's a unfinished thing, right? We are discussing the exercise and we didn't completely discuss it. So in this video we'll completely discuss the exercise. Then I'll be showing or showing the question paper to you. Okay. Now you need to write it in a neat A4 sheet. Even if you have classwork, you can write it in your classwork. No, you can write in the class. You know where to write. Backside of the class work. You have no from behind. You used to write, isn't it? Class test and all. So there you can write this. Be honest and write the correct answer. Okay, fine, and without saying. Okay, by using your own knowledge. Now if you're not prepared, you can prepare and after that you can write. Okay, so but don't cheat. Okay, fine, we all believe you. Fine. So tell your parents also to note down the timing, how much time you're taking, because half an hour time have given. Within half an hour you need to finish it off. Okay, there's a diagram also, so you need to be ready with your pencil. Whenever biology test means diagram will be there. Okay, so be ready with pencil and eraser and all. Okay, so first let's finish that exercise, then we'll come to the question paper. Okay, so let me share my screen. We will go to that question paper. I hope that you can see the question paper here. Now I think we have discussed uh, till here. Filling the blanks. We have discussed the filling the blanks, right? Isn't it? Now we need to discuss the remaining parts, right? Seventh question. I think seventh question onwards we need to discuss. Name the following: a parasitic plant with yellow, slender, and branch stem. Oh my god! 1 second, my earphone went. A parasitic plant with yellow, slender branch stem. Answer is cascata. Answer is cascata, which I have already discussed in the videos, right? Cascata. Fine. A plant that is partially autotrophic. See, a plant is partially autotrophic. Now, here, actually, this level, I mean, seventh standard level, they asking this question. But when as you go higher classes, you will understand that this question actually is not completely right. A plant that is partially autotrophic. Can you name the such a plant? Now, here is a very generalized question. So here the answer can be your insectivorous plant. You know that insectivorous plants actually, even though they actually consume the insects, they actually don't kill insect to get energy. They only need nitrogen from them. Okay, so they getting energy from sunlight itself. So they also are autotrophic in nature. Fine. So insectivorous plants can be considered partially autotrophic, and then even algae also can be considered, some algae can be considered partially autotrophic. The pores through which leaves exchange gases, you know that tiny pores which are present on the leaf surface, right? These are called stomata. These are called stomata. Okay, so let's move on to the eighth question. Cuscutter is an example of autotroph, parasite, saprotroph, or host. Cuscutter, as you know, is a parasite. So, example for parasite. 1 second. Let me just move this down. Let me erase everything. I think it's not going. 1 second. Yeah. So, next question is this massive following. No. Next question is this one. The plant which traps and feeds an insect on insect is, of course, here the pitcher plant. Pitcher plant is an insectivorous plant. So answer is pitcher plant. Ninth question, match the items. You need to match the box basically. Chlorophyll. Now rhizobium here, what is rhizobium? Rhizobium is specialized, what specialized bacterium which lives in the root nodules, right? Which gives nitrogen to the plant. So rhizobium is not the correct answer. Heterotrophs, heterotrophs means those organisms depend on other organisms. So chlorophyll is not matching with that also. Pitcher plant, The pitcher plant again is a insectivorous plant. Leaf, yes. Now leaf is matching the chlorophyll because chlorophyll is present in the leaf. So correct answer is leaf here. Nitrogen. So after this, we know that rhizobium is the plant which actually gives nitrogen to the plant. I mean, rhizobium is the bacteria which gives nitrogen to the plant. So answer is rhizobium. Cuscuta. Cuscuta is the parasite here. Parasite option is a yes, parasite. So cuscuta and the correct option is parasite. Animals are heterotrophs. Okay. Insects are here. Pitcher plant. Pitcher plant traps the insects. Very easy. 10th question. True or false? First question. Carbon dioxide is released during photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide is not released. Oxygen is released. So first statement is false. Plants which synthesize their food are called saprotrophs. No, plants which synthesize their own food are called autotrophs. So again, false. The product of photosynthesis is not a protein. Yes, true. Product of photosynthesis is not a protein. It's glucose. So it's true. It's not a protein. It's true. Solar energy is converted into chemical energy during photosynthesis. Yes, that is also true. Solar energy is converted to chemical energy. Is true. So true. Why the solar energy is converted to glucose? Glucose is a chemical, right? Biochemical. Choose the correct option from the following. Which part of the plant takes in carbon dioxide from the air for photosynthesis? Your leaf. But here leaf option is not there. Leaf veins are there, petals are there, root hair is the stomata. Stomata are present on leaves. So stomata is the correct answer. Stomata is the structure which takes in carbon dioxide and releases oxygen, right? So correct answer is stomata. 12th question, choose the correct option from the following. Plants take carbon dioxide from the atmosphere mainly through their roots, stem, flowers, or leaves. Answer is leaves. From leaves only, it takes more carbon dioxide through stomata. Why do farmers grow many fruits and vegetables crops inside large greenhouses? What are the advantages of farming? Now, this is a higher order question which is not there in textbook also, but they are asking here. See, why have you seen large greenhouses? If you go to temperate country also, you can see lot of greenhouses like Canada and US and all, in European countries also. This green color of house like thing, what it does is it traps sunlight and gives heat inside, because the weather in US, or not in US, in European countries, very cool, right? So the some plants will not grow there. So to to grow such plants which need little bit temperature, what they will do, they will cover those area with a sheet, green sheet. And what they will do, what that green sheet is doing, it is trapping the sunlight. So it will trap the sunlight, keep the sunlight there itself. Okay, so what happens, the plants will grow. Okay, so what that is the advantage, we they can grow the plants which we are growing in India. For example, if here the temperature of this particular country will be obtained in those temperate country like US and Canada and all, by using greenhouses. Okay, greenhouses are used by farmers to grow vegetables and all those things in temperate countries. Even in India also we can do that, but why we are doing in India, again to protect it from pests or protect it from unnecessary destruction by insects and pests and all. That also can be done. So that's it. Your question, your exercise is being discussed. Now extended learning project is there that we will do when school reopens. Okay, next video onwards, I will not be uploading the video. Your biology teacher, new biology teacher will be uploading video. So have completed one chapter successfully. So your biology teacher will take over from the next video. Okay. See, I'm always approachable. You, whenever you have doubts and all, you can approach me anytime, no problem. Okay. Fine. So let's discuss the question paper which you need to write. Okay, now I'm going to share the question paper. 1 second.